Okay, you've taken the House Committee on inspection. Now, are there areas that you intend to actually improve on as you hand over this project?
Please start by your name.
I am Engineer Imran. I'm the area manager at Triacta Nigeria Limited. Since a couple of hours we have been going around, you can see that the project is 80% complete.
Okay.
And priority is the backfilling now. We are on the stage of the backfilling. Unfortunately, most of the backfilling is borrowed material. We have to bring material from far places. It takes time. When it comes to post execution, there are a lot of things that can be done to improve this area. When it comes to providing security and safe passage to the communities, we can only provide cover for our drainages, but it is left for the government and the relevant ministries to provide access to these communities, because later on all the access roads we are using will become roads, and people will be using them for let me say day-to-day activities. So I mean, it's high. These are let's say low density areas, but they are very poor, the locality here. So really, government has to intervene.
As we were touring, we saw some communities that are in need of connecting them with the major drainage. Are there efforts to actually channel them properly to ensure that they don't, cause harm to this work?
You see, where you have pedestrian crossings and vehicular crossings,
Okay.
these are designed. They were designed at some strategic location based on the user input. The communities were asked, and based on those, they were provided. Of course, we cannot satisfy every household, but there are let me say principles guiding these. You cannot put channels all over the place. You have to control the movement of people and goods at some strategic locations. Therefore, all the pedestrian crossings and the vehicular crossings, they were designed at specific locations. And you can see the one is which we passed, and there is one upstream, and you can even see over there is one other pedestrian crossing.
Okay, talking about drainage, that's the water. Because some of them are actually, lying fallow instead of connecting them to the major points. And would there be areas where you actually channel them properly for houses that are close by but are actually bringing out water that may cause harm?
You see, there are several houses here.
Okay.
If you count in every length, you have over 500 houses
True.
in a kilometer.
True.
You cannot provide drainage for each and every house.
Okay.
By design, the drain is designed to be a collector drain. The height of the wall is lower than all the natural surroundings. So by design, it is supposed to naturally bring the water to the big channel, to the catchment area. That is by design. But as I was earlier mentioning, there is afterthought. There might be some strategic locations whereby we may be required to provide some certain tributaries or some certain drains to connect where the need arises based on, let's say, engineering principles like scoring rate, and we have to see how the place is behaving after execution. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.